Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Learn Planet. Today we are going to learn how to calculate sum if for a particular table. For example, there is a table which is representing the employees' name for 3 years 2018, 19 and 20. Here are their respective leaves for these particular years, and we are going to calculate the total leaves for 3 years for any particular employee from here. So first of all, we have to give is equal to sign, then we'll write sum if, then we give range. The range is from this particular table from B4 to B15. Then we have to define criteria that for which we are going to calculate the value. We could have put the name within the formula, or we could have just define the criteria elsewhere within the table. I'm just going to select that particular criteria in this region. Then we are going to select the sum range. This is our sum range because from here we are going to calculate the sum of the 3 years for any particular employee. So let's start from here. Is equal to sign. For example, I am going to calculate the sum for leaves of the Anwar for 3 years 2018, 19 and 22. We will put equal to sign, then we'll write sum if bracket start. Then we have to give the range for the values we are going to calculate the leaves. After giving the range, we put comma. Then we have to define criteria. We are going to calculate the leaves for Anwar, so I define criteria as Anwar. Then comma. Now I have to give the range for the sum. This is our range for the sum. Now bracket close and enter. So like this we have calculated the formula for Anwar. You could have seen it's 46 leaves in 3 years. If you want to check it manually, we could have just select the values in front of the Anwar. Sum is 46 and it's defined 46 over here. So as it is in, I have defined in sequence. So if I just drag it down, it would be calculating the values for the rest of the employees, that is Riaz Shabir and Riaz Akbar Shabir. Now if I just want to get it checked that if either have calculated it like this, so let me select the values for Riaz. The sum is 40. Same like Akbar. Let me select the Akbar. Yes, here you can see Akbar sum is 37 and it's 37 over here. Now we have just calculated these values by defining criteria within the cell. If I don't want to define the criteria, I would have put the criteria within the formula as well. For example, in this cell, if I want to calculate the leaves for Anwar, I will just put is equal to sign sum if bracket start. Then I have to give the range comma. My criteria is Anwar, so from here I will just put inverted commas, write Anwar. The spelling must be as in this table. Bracket close, then comma, and I have to give the value range for which they are going to calculate the values. Bracket close. So it has been rightly calculated. The Anwar leaves are 46. So if another way, doesn't matter that we are going to calculate the range within the column or within the row. I could have taken the same values within the sheet in rows wise and could have calculated this. For example, select this table, copy it on other sheet. I'm going to convert them into the rows. For that, right click paste special and just select transpose and OK. Now here you can see that values formula has been shifted from column to the rows. For Anwar, the number of leaves are, you want to check it manually just to make it sure. The total leaves are 46 and these are defined as 46. So we have shifted the formula with the help of pay special. And now you could have seen that this formula equally works well in rows as well. Thanks for your time.